Hi children, very good morning to you all. Happy Monday. Children, today let's learn long I sound words. In the previous classes, we have learned long A sound and long E sound words. Okay, today let's learn a new topic, long I sound words. Okay children? See, in the previous classes, we used to pronounce I as E, isn't it, children? The short sound of I is E. See, when we say PIN, we used to say pin, NIB, nib, and then BIT, bit, BIN, bin. So, here we won't pronounce I as E, children. Keep in mind. For the long sound, we should pronounce I as I only. Keep in mind. The long sound of I is I only. Got it? Why? Because, see, in each word, if we have two vowels, see, here we have I and here we have E. In each word, we have two vowels. We should pronounce the same sound for the first vowel and no sound for the second vowel. We should not pronounce any sound for the second vowel. Okay, children? Okay, it's very easy. See, here in dice, we have two vowels. D-I-C-E. See, here I is there, here E is there. So, same sound for the first vowel means long sound. Means we should pronounce I. And no sound for the second letter. Got it, children? So, here, see, I will explain you once again. D-I-C-E, dice. We have two vowels in one word. So, for I takes the same sound. The first vowel takes the same sound. Means long sound. We should pronounce I only. But for the second vowel, no sound. We should not pronounce any sound. No sound for the second vowel. Okay. Okay, let's start. Let's learn these words, children. Okay, let's learn how to pronounce long I sound in these words. Okay. D-I-C-E, dice. Here you can see the dice, children. We will play snake and ladder, ludo with the help of dice, no? D-ice, dice. D-I-C-E, dice. D-ice, dice. D-I-V-E, dive. D-ive, dive. See, we will pronounce I first vowel. No, we will pronounce same sound means I. For second vowel, no sound. We should not pronounce the second vowel. We can cross it in a notebook. Okay. And F-I-L-E, file. File, file. Same sound for the first vowel. No sound for the second vowel. F-I-L-E, file. File, file. Here you can see the file, children. Okay. F-I-V-E, five. File, five. H-I-D-E, hide. Ha, hide, hide. Got it, children? H-I-D-E, hide. Ha, hide, hide. H-I-K-E, hike. Ha, hike, hike. See, we will pronounce I sound here, no sound for the second vowel. Keep on observing, children. Okay. Ha, hike, hike. H-I-V-E, hive. Ha, hive, hive. Here you can see the beehive, children. For beehive, for bee's house, we will say hive. Okay. Ha, hive, hive. I-C-E, ice. Okay. See, children, it's a very important word because here we have only three letters. See, why it takes the same sound means I will teach you. See, here we have three letters, but three letters in each word, in one word. Okay. So, in this word, you can observe we have two vowels. I is the first vowel and E is the second vowel. So, if we have two vowels in one word, we should pronounce the first vowel in the same sound and no sound for the second vowel. No sound. We should not pronounce anything. So so first vowel takes the same sound. No means long sound. For I we should say I only. I, sir, ice. See, I, sir, ice. Got it, children? So we will pronounce C as sir here, because I will teach you in a later classes. Because if C comes with E, it takes the saw sound. I will teach you in a later classes. So just you learn I, sir, ice, I-C-E, ice. K-I-T-E, kite, kite, kite. Here you can see the kite, children. L-I-M-E, lime, I'm lime. See, L-I-M-E, lime, I'm lime. M-I-N-E, mine, I'm mine. Okay, children. R-I-D-E, ride. She is riding a cycle. Okay. R-I-D-E, ride. R-I-D, ride. R-I-P-E, ripe. R-I-P, ripe. Ripe means, so after getting a full fruit, we will say ripe, children. The mango is very ripe. It is ready to eat. We will say no. Okay. Ripe means, in Kannada we can say tumba hannagirodu. Okay. S-I-G-H, sai. S-I-G-H, sai. So here also one important thing is there, children. See, for H we will say ha sound, no. So that we used to conclude, if ha sound means we used to conclude this is as a vowel only. Ha sound means. So that only here I takes the long sound. Got it, children? Okay, here H is, if G comes with H means both the letters will become silent. We should pronounce S-I, sai. That's all. Keep in mind, children. S-I, sai. G-H will become silent here. I will teach you in a later classes. No more confusions. Just you pronounce S-I, sai. Okay. I will pronounce again and again. S-I, sai. S-I, sai. Here G-H, both the letters will become silent. S-I, sai. S-I, sai. Got it? S-L-I-C-E, slice. Sir, lice, slice. S-L-I-C-E, slice. Sir, lice, slice. Got it, children? Here you can see the nimbu. Lemon cut it slices. You can see the slices of lemon, children. Okay. Smile. S-M-I-L-E, smile. Smile, smile. Got it, children? These two letters I will explain once again, because it has 5 letters. If we have 5 letters also, we have 2 vowels in this word. The first vowel takes a long sound and no sound for the second vowel. Slice. Slur, I, slice. Slice. Slur, I, slice. Smile. Smur, I'll smile. Smile. Smur, I'll smile. Once again I will explain. S-I-G-H, sigh. Sigh. That's all. Sir, I, sigh. No sound for G-H. Keep in mind, children. Okay. S-L-I-C-E, slice. Sir, lice, slice. S-M-I-L-E, smile. Smur, I'll smile. Okay, children? So you have to practice it nicely today and send the oral video, children. Okay, today, and get ready for online face-to-face classes at 4 p.m. children. So in the same words, this is from your phonics skill book, children. It is page number 20. The same words I have given for homework today. You have to write it one time in your 4-line notebook, and you have to send the oral video with good pronunciation, children. Okay, practice well. These long sounds are very important. So it is important as a short sounds, like, okay. You have to practice all the sounds, children. Okay, if you practice these sounds well, you can read any newspaper or you can read any book. You can read alone yourself, children. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Practice long I sounds, children.